Yeah, it is. Well, that's pretty close, huh? Man.
They say it crossed over there at that bar.
Oh, it did, huh?
Riker's bar.
Oh, yeah?
Right there, Rice Road. It crossed over there a little bit the other night.
Did you see that DC-10 yet?
Yeah.
You've seen it?
Yeah.
Has it been flying around here?
It was back over that way.
Oh, was it really, huh? Well, I hope they keep that thing here. Have you heard about anything else around Remington Forest? Up over here?
You got internet?
No, just
you can download that to the news, man. If you want to get on back my pickup, man, we'll go right here and he'll come back and you can get him scooping it.
I can't download because the DSL's gone out over here.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, the phone lines were